Good morning children. Good morning fourth class children. In the previous video we have completed page number 35 one word problem children. There are three more problems. Let us do children. Open your workbook page number 35. Open page number 35 in workbook. Second word problem. A tin has 3 liters 400 milliliters of paint. Another tin has 5 liters 750 milliliters of paint. Both tins are emptied into a large empty tin. How much paint does the large tin hold now? So here are two smaller tins and one bigger tin. These two smaller tins have some paint. These two tins are emptied into a large tin. Now what is the amount of paint in that large tin? They are asking. Quantity of first tin. How much? 3 liters 400 milliliters. Next, quantity or amount? Quantity of second tin. How much? 5 liters 750 milliliters. So these two tins are emptied into a large tin, large empty tin. Now quantity of, we are going to find out the quantity of large tin. Quantity of large tin. How can we get? How we will get? If you add these two quantities, then you will get the new quantity of a large tin. Now add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 carry forward, 1 is in answer place. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So a large tin has 9 liters 150 milliliters of paint. So 9 liters 150 milliliters of paint. The large tin hold. The large tin hold. So the amount or quantity of first tin has 3 liters 400 milliliters of paint. Next, quantity of second tin 5 liters 750 milliliters. Now both the tins are emptied and transferred into a large tin. Now we have to find out the large tin capacity. Quantity of large tin. Capacity, quantity, amount. Three terms are same. They refer the capacity. Okay, capacity of the tin. Now if you add these two numbers, then you will get the new quantity of the large tin. So 9 liters 150 milliliters of paint is there in the large tin. Okay. Now read the third sum. Anita weighs 1245 grams more than Sunita. So Anita weight is this much more than Sunita. If Sunita weighs 28 kgs 845 grams, what is Anita's weight? Now here Sunita weight is 28 kgs 845 grams and Anita weighs this much more than Sunita. More. So here you have to add this weight to this weight. Then you will get Anita's weight. First this is in grams now. Now convert into kgs. Write 1245 grams is equal to 1 kg 245 grams. Next, weight of Sunita. Weight of Sunita. How much? 28 kgs 845 grams. Now more weight than Sunita. More weight. More weight. How much more? 1 kg 245 grams. Now here we have to find out the weight of Anita. Weight of Anita is equal to, if you add these two numbers, then you will get the weight of Anita. Anita's weight. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 is carry forward, 0 is in answer place. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry forward, 1 carry forward, and 8 plus 2, 10. 0 is in answer place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 carry forward, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. So 30 kgs, 90 grams. What is the weight of Anita? 30 kgs, 90 grams. So write, therefore, Anita's weight is equal to 30 kg 90 grams. Okay. First, Sunita's weight is 28 kgs 845 grams, and Anita weight is 1 kg 245 grams more than Sunita weight. So more means here you have to add 28 kgs 845 grams plus 1 kg 245 grams, 30 kgs 90 grams. Now next one, fourth one. Each packet of Boost weighs 750 grams. What is the weight of each Boost packet? 750 grams. What will be the weight of a cartoon holding 25 such Boost packets? If a cartoon has 25 such Boost packets, now what is the weight of that cartoon, they are asking. Okay. Now let us write weight of each Boost packet. Weight of each Boost packet is equal to 750 grams. Weight of each Boost packet is equal to 750 grams. Now here we have to find out the weight of a cartoon. So number of Boost packets in cartoon. How many packets? Number of Boost packets in cartoon. 25. If you multiply these two numbers, then you will get the weight of the cartoon. Now, weight of a cartoon is equal to 750 into 25. So, multiply here 750 into 25. So, first multiply with ones place digit. 5 zeros 0. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry forward. 5 is in answer place. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. Now next multiply with tens place digit. So don't write under ones place. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fives are 10. 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Now add these two rows. 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 5, 8. And 1. So what is the answer? 18,750 grams. 18,750 grams. Now convert into kgs. 18,000 means 18 kg. 750 grams. 18 kg, 750 grams. Okay children. Again once look. Weight of each boost packet is 750 grams. And there are 25 packets in a cartoon. How many packets in a cartoon? 25 packets. Now we have to find out the weight of that cartoon. If we multiply 25 and 750, then we will get answer. So 750 into 25. Then we will get 18,750 is the answer. 18,750. So 18,000 means 18 kg, 750 grams. Okay. So these four are the word problems in the workbook children. In the next video, we will do the activity book children. Okay. Activity book for the chapter metric measures. Okay children. So this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay children, we will meet in the next video children. Thank you.